Hi friends, welcome back with a very useful tool from Andonstar. So let's unbox and take a look. As you can see, packing is very nice. If you can't see anything in the box, it is magic, because all box items are on the table. First thing is the user manual of the product. Everyone must read it before using the product. A piece of microfiber cloth for cleaning. Here is metallic base with 2 lights. A 10-inch LCD with some buttons and adjustable lens. A beam and a column attached with holder and bracket. These are some slides for testing. A slide bottom light, and a remote controller. A high-quality HDMI cable you can connect another screen to see objects on big screen. "15 watts power adapter. Here are some tightening screws. A card reader. Some clips and L key. And some power cables. Let's install the bracket. If you are an electronic hobbyist, you must need this compact microscope, especially for mobile repairing. Go and check out the video's description, and I will also put the link in the pinned comment. A 64GB SD card, which is enough for this. For power, the LCD and lens. For power, the base light. These holding clips are optional. Let's power on the microscope for testing. Let's test a small circuit with tiny SMD components on it. You can see it is working very well. You can zoom it up to 8x. I am going to test another circuit board under the microscope. Yes, I can easily identify every component on the board. I can do testing, soldering, and desoldering easily. Now I'm testing some slides on bottom light and try to observe what is on the slides. In menu, you can find other options. Here I'm going to test video recording and photo capturing feature of the microscope. As you can see, there are video sample and images in the gallery. Thanks for watching.